I'm not ready for this fight. I feel so alone.
I'm ready to fight and kill them, everyone, yes!
Okay, viewers, as you already know, the Stickman animation niche is going extremely viral right now, and today, I've created a brand new Red Army style Stickman niche that I just showed you. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. First of all, open YouTube and search for the channel called Rico Animation. You can already see how insane this channel is. Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing. This channel has over 12 million subscribers, which clearly proves how powerful and viral this niche has become. Now, if we talk about the estimated earnings, this channel is making around $10.6K, which is honestly incredible for Stickman-style animation content. And if we analyze the category, you can see that the creator is mainly working in the entertainment niche, which performs extremely well on YouTube Shorts. Now let me show you the Shorts section and their most popular videos. Just look at these numbers. 200 million views, 80 million views, 95 million views, 60 million views. Almost every single video is crossing millions of views. This clearly shows that Stickman animations are trending massively right now. And the best part is that every video feels unique, entertaining, and highly engaging. You can scroll through the channel one by one and notice how consistently they are getting insane views. Now, without wasting any more time, let me take you to the master prompt section. I have already prepared a complete master prompt that includes the main character design, character rules and consistency instructions, output requirements, 10 detailed image scenes, 10 video scenes, and even professional voiceover prompts. Everything is already structured and ready to use. Now all you need to do is open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, simply paste the master prompt here, then click on the generate button, and boom. Just like that, all 10 scenes are instantly generated. You can see that every single scene contains a detailed image prompt, a cinematic video prompt, and a voiceover script, and honestly, every prompt looks incredibly professional and high quality. You can review each scene one by one and notice how perfectly optimized and trending these prompts are. Every scene is designed to keep the audience engaged and maximize retention. As you can see, I've already saved all the prompts successfully. Alright viewers, now it's time to move toward the image generation section, so let's go! Okay viewers, now you simply need to open the website called Flow AI. And viewers, let me tell you something really important. Flow AI is 100% free to use. First, click on Create with Flow, then open a new project. Now what I'm going to do is paste scene 1 right here. After that, I'll select Nano Banana 2 in the image generation section, and then simply click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first image has now started generating. You just need to stay a little patient and wait for a few moments because AI generation can take a little time. And just boom, my first image is now ready. The result already looks really good, but trust me, it's going to get even better. Now I'm going to copy and paste scene 2. Again, we wait for a few seconds. And boom! My second scene is also ready, and honestly, this scene looks absolutely amazing. Now viewers, what I'm going to do is continue copying and pasting all the scenes one by one. Scene 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, so I can show you the complete final result. And just boom, here is the final result. All my images are now fully generated successfully. You can see the final Red Army style results right here. And honestly, the AI has created these images in such an amazing and cinematic way. Now what I'm gonna do is download all these images one by one in 2K quality so it becomes easier for me during the video creation process. I'll simply download my favorite scenes from here so I can convert them into videos. And viewers, for video generation, I'm going to show you not just one, but 2 completely free AI tools. Now you need to open another website called Digen AI. This website gives you 150 free credits daily, and it also provides many powerful AI tools completely free. Now simply click on RM 3.1 Turbo, because this model is 100% free. Brand, Nuina, supports audio, and generates high-quality 5-second cinematic shots. Now simply upload your first image. After uploading the image, I'll go to the prompt section and copy my first video prompt and paste it here. Then I'll select the aspect ratio and click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first task has started generating. Usually, it takes around 1 to 2 minutes. And just after 1 minute, boom, My first video is now ready. Look at these amazing motions and cinematic movements. Now I'm uploading the second image. Again, I'll give it a powerful prompt and click on Generate. As soon as I click the Generate button, you can see that it says around 4 minutes. And after a few minutes, just boom! My second video is also ready now. And again, the animation looks extremely smooth, engaging, and professional. And viewers, the best part is that Digin AI is completely free and creates really high-quality animations. Now let me show you the second free AI tool. Again, we are moving back to Flow AI. After opening Flow AI, let me tell you that this website gives you around 50 free credits daily. Now I'll simply select my first image again. Then I'll add a professional prompt and move to the video section. Here I'll use V3.1 Lite because it only takes 10 credits. Then I'll click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first image to video task has now started generating successfully. Now in the same way, I'll select my second image, give it a good cinematic prompt, and click on Generate again. And you can see that my second video has also started generating. It is absolutely amazing. Okay viewers, you just need to stay patient and wait a little because personally, I think Flow AI gives one of the best and easiest results. And the best thing is that it can generate 8-second cinematic shots very easily. And just boom! Both of my shots are now completely ready. Let me show you both scenes one by one. You can clearly see how amazing, cinematic, and trending these shots look. Honestly, the quality is incredible. I personally love the results from Flow AI because T is 100% free, easy to use, and creates extremely smooth animation results. Now I'll simply download all the generated clips. And after downloading, we'll move toward the editing section. For editing, we are going to use CapCut. So let's move on to the final editing part. Okay viewers, after opening CapCut, you simply need to drag and import all your generated videos here. After uploading them, bring all the clips into a proper sequence line on the timeline. Now one by one, we'll arrange every scene perfectly, in order so the final animation looks smooth and professional. After arranging the clips, if you want to remove the AI watermark or logo, simply use the scale option and zoom the video slightly. And after removing the logo, you can now see that my final video is completely ready. Now let's preview the final result together. Oh my god, viewers, you can clearly see how amazingly this video has been created. The animation looks smooth, cinematic, engaging, and highly professional. Now I'll simply export the final video. And after exporting, you can finally see the complete final look of the project. Oh my god, viewers, I really hope you enjoyed today's video and loved this amazing AI animation idea. And if you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing AI content. Until then, take care and goodbye.